Hi, my name is Anita Kozlowski, the creator of Rapid Therapy System, which is a science-based, supremely powerful system to help you get rid of deeply seated emotional issues really fast. If you are suffering from crippling, deeply rooted emotional problems such as depression, anxiety, or effects of early childhood trauma, for example, and want to rapidly get rid of those and reclaim the emotional freedom you deserve without wasting years of expensive therapy or counseling, you are in the right place. Rapid therapy works on a whole different set of principles than traditional methods. It is much more effective, much faster, and most importantly, it yields rapid and measurably powerful results. Where these other traditional and slow methods focus on the why, constantly revisiting the painful original event, which actually makes it worse for the person, I focus on the how. I focus on how you are creating your emotional problem. Because you are creating it, whether you know it or not, and if we know the how, we can just easily change it. That's right. The difference between what I do and what traditional methods do is staggering. The results are completely different and in a really good way. The reason is really quite simple. If you're suffering from emotional problems because you've created a powerful unconscious pattern by which you are continuously rebringing painful past event into the present, even if you are not aware you're doing this, and you are spinning the same unconscious script so fast that you cannot even recognize it's happening. So whether you can recognize it or not, you are still doing it. The subconscious habituated pattern is a well habituated until I show up. So when negative emotional pattern gets disrupted, you suddenly don't have the emotional problem anymore. No matter how painful it is, it's just gone, just like that. You see, you don't have to be the victim of your past as you've been conditioned to believe. The past happened, but your emotional attachment to it can be completely, totally, and permanently removed. It's kind of like magic. This is how Rapid Therapy System works. It works at the level of your subconscious and works directly to disrupt negative emotional patterns. In this way, you can still recall the event, if you happen to remember it. The crippling emotional pain you used to feel is just gone. Better yet, if you don't remember the event, you've released the emotional attachment to whatever may have happened, and the negative emotion just disappears. In my NLP and hypnosis training, we learn how to erase negative emotional patterns really fast. If you are a therapist or a coach, you may want to look into those trainings. This will massively enhance your practice. The science behind Rapid Therapy System is really fascinating, and what's even more amazing is how fast the emotional release happens. If you are feeling sick and tired of struggling with deeply seated emotional issues, addictions, behavioral patterns, things that you want to change, book your free 30-minute personal breakthrough session with me. Just click on the link below and let's get started. I'm really excited to help you. I'm Anita Kozlowski, the founder of Rapid Therapy Systems, which is the most powerful mind technology to help you get rid of your depression. Deeply seated emotional problems are nothing more than habituated patterns of excellence in a wrong field. Your brain simply learned to do something really well, and because by nature, human brain is lazy and loves sameness, it naturally defaults to what's familiar, in this case, depression. With Rapid Therapy System, I can help you permanently disrupt these negative emotional patterns. If you want to get rid of depression, click on the link below and book a free 30-minute confidential personal breakthrough session with me. This may be the first day of a very different rest of your life, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you in person.